Because of the career coaching live stream I hosted last week, guiding Agile practitioners on how to adjust the careers to the industry changing needs if they want to stay relevant. It looks like so many people have been getting confused. First off, let's acknowledge that both PMI and Agile certifications have their unique strength. PMI, or the Project Management Institute, offers a well-established certification that focuses on traditional project management methodologies. So this certification is fantastic for understanding the foundational principles of project management, including planning, execution, and closing projects effectively. So it provides a structured approach that many organizations still rely on today. Organizations are so difficult to change. On the other hand, Agile certifications emphasize flexibility and adaptability. In our fast-paced world, being able to pivot and respond to the change is crucial. So Agile frameworks like Scrum, Kanban empowers teams to work collaboratively and speedily deliver value incrementally to customers. This approach is especially beneficial in industries where customer needs can shift rapidly, such as tech and product development. Now, you might be wondering, which one should I choose? Here is the thing. If you had asked me this question 2 years ago, I would have responded, you focus on Agile. Like I mentioned last week in the live stream, in January this year, PMI signed a partnership with Agile Alliance. So as Agile practitioners, it is only wise for us to also adjust to the shifts in the market if you want to stay relevant. For this reason, I would say the best path forward is to embrace both. By obtaining both PMI and Agile certifications, you will equip yourself with the comprehensive toolkit that combines the best of both worlds. You gain a solid understanding of traditional project management principles while also being able to adapt to the dynamic nature of projects. Having both certifications not only enhances your skills set, but also makes you a more attractive candidate in the job market. So employers are increasingly looking for project leaders who can navigate both structured environments and Agile frameworks. So by showcasing your versatility, you will stand out and open up more opportunities for yourself. So keep that in mind. The best part is Being Agile Consulting has now added PMP certification training and mentorship to our offerings. So visit our website to learn more, beingagileconsulting.com, or send us an email, info@beingagileconsulting.com. So if you're serious about becoming a project leader, consider investing in both certifications. Start with one and then move to the other. Thank you so much. If you find value in this content, please kindly leave a thumbs up, share with your network, and don't forget to drop a meaningful comment. Most especially if you have questions, leave them in the comment section. As usual, I will do my best to provide the best possible answer. Oh, before I forget, my name is Fomafung, and most people know me as your business agility, AI, and career coach. And now I am educating everyday people like you, like me, on how to save smart, invest confidently, and build wealth without stress, without shame, without any confusion, and without all the financial jargons. As I am helping you to successfully transition into a more fulfilling and high-paying career, I also want to help you make sure that as you collect that salary, how do you make it work for you? So if you want to learn more about this other arm of what I am doing, subscribe to Healthy Money Habits Hub. It's a channel that we have created dedicated for that purpose alone. And I can assure you that your life will be transformed by just changing some simple everyday habits. You become a millionaire. Just follow my teachings. I'll see you in the next video, or see you in class. Bye-bye.